Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Bobier Elementary School, home of the Broncos in Vista, California. Another incredible day getting to interact with the AM/PM students and staff right here in the MPR. And today's focus was revisiting the topic of positivity. The sub-theme was Be Your Best Self. And like it says here on the screen, one of the slides from the presentation today, we're always striving to be our best, right? To really do our best. And we know that part of that is asking for help if we need it. Reaching out for support when we need it, really, knowing that we keep trying again and again and again until we finally succeed, because the opposite of success is not failure, it's giving up or quitting. So as long as we don't do that, then we always have a chance, right? If we stop trying, then we have no shot. Students really got that today. They got that premise, and why I wear this shirt for this assembly, which says keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose. So if you're feeling down, if you're discouraged, if you're about ready to give up, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To think positive no matter what. Because whatever we tell our brain and our heart, it's going to believe, right? We don't want to tell it something negative. We want to tell it something positive. So positivity is referring to having a positive outlook with everyone and everything, right? And everywhere that we interact with ourselves or anyone else. The person we're going to talk to the most in our life is ourselves. So hopefully it's going to be something positive in nature. And we also know that we can always try our hardest, because really through excellence, it's not about being the best, it's just doing your best. You don't always have to get first place, win the race, get 100%, get the trophy, get the medal, get the award. You just got to try your hardest, right? You have the effort, not always the outcome, but hopefully if you give that strong effort, you're going to get the outcome, the results that you want. If we plant those positive thoughts in here, we're usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10 going to get those positive results in our life. So to keep that focus of knowing that we can always give a little bit more, right? To know that part of doing our best is also encouraging others, that self-encouragement first and foremost, being kind to our mind, and then going out and helping others believe in themselves too, that's huge. That always ties into the concept that I bring up in every assembly as well, which is the fact that we're all true miracles, right? Like the lines on our hand, I trace one of mine here, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we buy into that, once we believe it, truly believe it, now we can go out into this world and be that change, be that positive light for our community. And having a positive attitude, right? Of course, it's easy on days like today. The sun is shining outside here in California. But on days when it's kind of cloudy, yucky weather, not the best in here, or the storms that are going on in here, it's not always easy to have that positive mentality. But it's possible, right? It's always possible to choose, make that positive life choice, to choose to be positive, to have a positive outlook in everything that we do. So thanks for touching my heart. This is my final visit for this school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, have a great rest of 2025, 2026, a great summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.